blank patterns. I'm going to need a bunch of these. I don't have any glowstone. Let's see. Let's take a look for my tablet. Let's see if I have it in this system, possibly. Okay, so no glowstone. Let me go grab the chicken. Oh, I've got 4.6k glowstone. And one thing I kind of want to do is share this stuff with my system. Like, I'm going to get more chickens going, and I'll get a, what do you call it? These things, the storage controller, and share these with my ME system. Then I'll have basically unlimited resources, because, you know, as soon as I pull some stuff out of here, they'll just start making more. So it's sort of like I have whatever I have a chicken for, I have a limited supply of. Okay, let's go ahead and just put all that in there. Shouldn't have done that yet though. That's okay. I can just do this. Okay. So let's wire this stuff up. I should also make cables for this too, because well, for that I'm going to need wool. I want to do the bigger cables that allow 32 channels instead of the 8 like the default. So let's see what the string. No, that's the string chicken. It's this one. Okay. Okay, so I got a decent amount of wool. Now let me see what these take. The dense cables. Yeah, that's what we're gonna make. Okay, so I need the covered cables first. I don't know how many Fluix cables I have. Let me take a look. Only 28. Okay, so let's make some more of those first. There we go. And I also, oh, that's right. I do want to speed things up a bit. I can upgrade this enrichment chamber. Let me take a look really quick at what that's gonna cost me. Advanced enriching factory. Okay. Oh, I gotta turn this back because I did a little bit of stuff in my creative world, so those settings always stick here. But since this isn't this world doesn't allow cheats, when I click on it, nothing happens. In the other world, it would give me items, so it doesn't really matter if it's on cheat in this world. I'm not actually cheating. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna need some of these advanced control circuits, which take some stuff. I think I might not have any of those. Oh, I do. Okay. All right. Okay, and I just need to pick this up. falls down, of course. There we go. Wait, purification chamber. What? Basic enriching factory. Oh, enriching factory, okay. That's what I need to do first. I'm glad I didn't just click that right away. Okay, now I can make one of these. Well, let me see what the difference is in this. What's the difference in a factory? Oh, it just does multiples. Okay. That's cool. I'm glad mechanism machines don't just break when you pick them up like that anymore. I think that was a thing, if I remember correctly. Like you needed a wrench to pick it up. Okay, now I don't have any of this stuff yet. Let me see. I would need diamond dust. Let me make some diamond dust first before I do any of this. For the time being, I'll just use it the way it is. It's probably going to suck a lot more power anyway, so probably good just to use it the way it is now. But this will speed things up by a factor of 5. So that's pretty good. Oh, I didn't take out my speed upgrades, but they're still here. Okay, good. I'm glad that gets carried with it. Almost just screwed that up. Okay, so let's make some more Certus crystals. Ooh, I'm running out of Certus quartz dust. How is this, where am I getting this from exactly? Ah, okay. Am I actually outputting stuff from my millstone? I'm not 100% sure I am anymore. Okay, yeah. Just to double check this though. Oh, it gave me a whole stack. Maybe this is not working. Yikes. Okay, so I haven't been getting anything from that. That makes sense why my Certus quartz is not going up. Okay, so let's get a hopper on this instead. Oh my god. There we go. Okay. All right, so now it's working. I probably could put a chute under that and it would do the same thing. I had some ideas for a system where stuff here wouldn't get, like I could put a belt down here and maybe if I had my magnet on, it wouldn't be getting picked up. So if I could do a chute here, I want to try this out anyway. Let's just see what a chute does, because I think I have a couple. I've got 4. Oh, and let me get these diamonds started first. I know I'm getting a little scattered here. It's okay though. I've just got a lot of ideas, and my brain is working on all cylinders today, it seems like. Okay, so this may work a lot quicker than it was before. Like if I want to do concrete, I think this might be faster. Let's give that a test real quick. Let's just see how much concrete I have at the moment, though. I've got a lot of black concrete. I think I don't have any red concrete. Okay. What am I out of? Gravel? Seriously? Yeah, that's because these aren't being shared. That's right. So we are definitely going to have to make a controller. I might move this stuff over next to the controller by the chickens. So I just have all that stuff shared with the system. Yeah, I may move this. I don't really want my chickens over here because they're so noisy. That's the whole reason I have them off in a corner. Because they're always doing that egg popping sound. I could always just turn that off though, maybe. Yeah. I could do that. I'm not sure the best way to search for those noises though. Chicken egg, is that the sound? Let's see. Okay, it's muffled. Okay. So maybe I could just move these over here. There's not quite enough room for it over here though. I think I'm going to just get rid of my wheat farm over here. I'll get the last of the seeds from it, and maybe I can just move it elsewhere. I know I'm getting sidetracked, but this is okay though, because I'm gonna try and just do everything. I might lose track of some things here and there, but I'll come back to it because I think my mind is a little sharper today at least. Okay. So I can probably just make another room out here and quickly use building tools to get it going and stuff. For the moment, I'm just going to open up this room though, or when it's needed. Okay, let's get back to auto crafting for now though. Let's set these things down. Well, actually no, I want to start it having those cables though. Okay, so that was making some more Certus quartz dust, which we have more coming in now. But for the time being, let's just let's make a stack. Okay, now this should be a lot faster. Although it's not feeding in there super fast. That's okay though. I think it's... The only problem with that is it's not distributing this, so it's still just using one. So I'd have to go like this. I kind of wish... Oh, there it goes. Auto sort? Maybe that does it. Yeah. So that is much faster. I gotta reset this stuff. Let me see. Is this is the back I need to output and auto eject on. But I need to turn this off. I don't think I needed to, but that's okay. Okay, so let's go. Well, let's make some of those cables. There we go. Dense covered cable. So this should have 32 channels instead of the 8. That makes the math makes sense on that too, because these are 8 channels each, and that's times 4. So okay, let me not make too many of these in the beginning. Okay, I just made them all. That's fine. All right, so let's see which way should this come off of. Maybe I'll do it. I guess I'll do it like over here, or maybe right here. Yeah, because I guess it's against this wall. I should probably just keep this stuff against the wall. It's going to be kind of big though. So I'll start, I guess, with the outer edge of it, which is this. This is where the stuff is actually made. This is where you keep the patterns, which I don't have any yet. And then this is where the processors will go. I'll maybe have like a big processor cube, like right here. And I think that's it. And I guess we'll keep this branch for storage, and then I'll go up and around with the big cables to do the auto crafting. Will come off the top. So I'll go up one just to make it so they don't try to auto connect to stuff. Okay, there's that. Hopefully this doesn't suck a ton of power. That's kind of why I'm putting just one for now. Oops. Okay. And you can have one of these molecular assemblers touching every side of this. So that's what I'm going to do. But to make it so multiple of them can go, you have to use the coprocessors, and to have, I think one of these crafting storage can handle every one of these crafting pattern providers. I'm not 100% sure about that though. I think that's how it works. That's why I kind of want to test that out. I'm not sure how to really test the results of that though. So I don't know. I'm going to have to make more of these anyway, though, because 1K, the 1K, the amount is actually dependent on how big of a stack you're doing and how much crafting it has to do. That's what takes up that space. So I'm going to need more of these anyway. I would at least need to upgrade this to a higher level one, but I think it's cheaper just to make another, a bunch of 1Ks. So I'll need that, and then I'll need the coprocessors. The coprocessors will be able to handle the extras of these molecular assemblers. Okay, so I'll need probably five coprocessors, and maybe another like 3 of these 1Ks at least. Maybe. I don't know. It has to be a block though. I'm pretty sure, to be functional. I know you can get away with using 2 and then 4, but then from there you got to have like 8 and then another 4, that type of thing. Oh, I was gonna look for chicken. I'm gonna die here pretty soon. Chicken or bread? I'll just grab bread next time I'm hungry. Okay, so let's do... Oh, that's another thing I'm going to need. Maybe instead of having this terminal here, I could have a craft or a pattern terminal. It's either that or yeah, I'll just do it. I can do another one actually. I'm gonna need more cables.